Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinita. Today we are going to learn prime numbers and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? A prime number is a whole number that has exactly two different factors, 1 and itself. A prime number is a whole number that has exactly two different factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2. 2 is a prime number because 2 we can see only in table 2. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Then 3. 3 is also a prime number because 3 also we can see table 3. That means 3 is a prime number. 4. 4 we can see in table 4, table 2. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Means 4 is having 3 factors. A prime number is a whole number that has exactly 2 different factors. If it is 3, it is not a prime number. That's why 4 is not a prime number. Then 5. 5 is also a prime number because 5 you can see only in table 5. 6. 6 is not a prime number because 6 we can see in table 6, table 2, table 3. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. It is having 4 factors, 4 different factors. That's why 6 is not a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. Then 11 is another prime number. 13 is another prime number. 17 is another prime number. 19 is another prime number. 23 is another prime number, etc. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. are prime numbers because these numbers you can see the same table itself, same table only. Then composite numbers. A composite number is a whole number that has more than 2 different factors. So a composite number, so 4 you can see in table 4, 4 ones are 4. Then table 2, so 4 is having 1, 2 and 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4 are the factors. So that 4 is a composite number. Example, 4 is a composite number. Then 6 you can see in table 6, table 2, also in table 3. So 6 is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 factors. So that's why 6 is a composite number. Then 8 you can see in table 8, table 2, also in table 4. So 8 is having 4 factors. So 1, 2, 4 and 8. So 8 is also a composite number. So composite number, it will have more than 2 different factors. So 4, 6, 8. The next composite number will be 9. Then 10, 12, 14, etc. These all are composite numbers. Then a number which is not in the set of, in example of prime numbers and composite number, that number is 1. That means 1 is not a prime number. Also 1 is not a composite number. That means 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is a neutral number because 1 is not have 2 different factors. That's why it is not a prime number. 1 you can see only in table 1. It is having only one factor, that is 1. That means 1 is not a prime number and also 1 is not a composite number. Then, how can we find out a prime number? Determine whether each of the following is a prime or composite number. For example, the first question is 59. We have to check 59 is a prime number or composite number. So when the numbers are bigger, there is a method for finding it is a prime number or composite number. For that, we have to take which is the smallest square number than 59. So the square number, smallest square number nearest to 59 or smaller 59 will be, it is 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64. So 7 sevens are 49. So 49 is the smallest square number than 59. So square root of 49 will be 7. Square root of 49 will be 7. Then we have to check which all are the prime numbers smaller than 7. That are the prime numbers smaller than 7 will be 2, 3 and 5. We have to check 59 is divisible by any of these prime number or not. So we can check 59 is there in table 2 or not. In the previous session we have already learned what is the divisibility rule of 2. The end number should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 must be there for divisible by 2. So here 59, the end number is 9. That means 59 is not divisible by 2. Then we can check 59 is divisible by 3 or not. 59, for checking the divisibility of 3, we can add the digit. So 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 is not in table 3. That means 59 is not divisible by 3. Then we have to check 59 is divisible by 5 or not. So 59 is not in table 5. That means 10 5s are 50, 11 5s are 55, or otherwise we can check the end number. If it is 0 or 5 will come, it is there in table 5. Here the end number is 9. That means 59 is not in table 5. So 59 is not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. That means 59 is a prime number. If 59 is divisible by any of these number, that means 59 is a composite number. Here it is not divisible by any of these numbers. That's why 59 is a prime number. Then we can check 73. So first of all we have to check which is the nearest square number or nearer or smaller square number than 73. So 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81. So we can take 64. Square root of 64 will be 8. Then we have to check which all are the prime numbers smaller than 8. So the prime numbers smaller than 8 equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then we have to check 73 is divisible by any of these numbers or not. So first of all we can check it is 73 is divisible by 2 or not. So check the last digit, it is 3. So that means it is not divisible by 2. For divisible by 2, the end number should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So 73 is not divisible by 2. Then we can check divisibility of 3. So add the digit 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is not in table 3. That means 73 is not divisible by 3. Then 5. Check the end digit. It is 5 or 0 will come. It is divisible by 5. Here the end digit is 3. That means 73 is not divisible by 5. Then 7. So 10 sevens are 70, 11 sevens are 77. That means 73 is not in table 7. So 73 is not divisible by any of these numbers. That means 73 is a prime number. Now, question number C, 87. Same like before, we have to find out which is the nearest square number or smaller square number than 87. So it is 9 nines are 81. Square root of 81 will be square root of 9 into 9, that is 9. We have to check which all are the prime numbers smaller than 9. So the prime numbers smaller than 9 equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then we have to check 87 is divisible by any of these numbers or not. The end digit is 7, so that's why it is not divisible by 2. Then we have to check 3. Add the digit 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 is there in table 3. That's why 87 is divisible by 3. If the given number is divisible by any of these prime number, that means it is not a prime number. 87 is a composite number. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.